CBFI to 10-ton pipe ice machine project showcase.
Hola, esta es mi fábrica de hielo que produce 20 toneladas al día. Son dos máquinas de 10 toneladas de la marca CBFI. Actualmente cuento con disponibilidad para poder vendértelas. Nuestro hielo es hermoso y fácil de disolver, como lo puedes ver, muy transparente.
Este es nuestro almacenamiento de 10 toneladas. Actualmente contamos con bolsa de 5 kilos, bolsa de 15 kilos, en dos presentaciones.
The Ice Factory's ice machine adopts the independently developed refrigeration system designed by CBFI, equipped with Bitzer compressors, high cooling efficiency, and stable operation. The Ice Factory has been operating continuously for 2 years. The production capacity remains ample and in surplus. The integrated structural design occupies a small footprint, saves space for customers. Easy and convenient installation reduce installation costs and time, with professional equipment manufacturing and solution design capabilities. CBFI provides you with a one-stop ice factory solution.